Here we are at the Canary Islands. We're about 200 kilometres off the coast of Africa. That way is Marrakesh and Casablanca. One day we're going to get there, but meanwhile, here we are in the Canary Islands.
On the island of Tenerife right now.
Yes. It was certainly worth the short island hop from the Gran Canaria to this place. The comfortable weather is a big plus. Having many microclimates explains why the geology is so diverse, from lush forests to the barren alien landscapes. It had so much to explore. What is surely noticeable is the tourist vibe, which caters for the young, the old, and the families.
So many expats here as well. The British love Tenerife. It's just so close to home, but you're guaranteed the weather. And look at this place, it speaks for itself. It's just amazing. How can you not like this place?
The Spanish conquered this place back in 1494, but nowadays it's the tourists from the United Kingdom and Ireland that do all the conquering here. It's becoming a blur. We're going out a lot.
Too much. Maybe. Maybe not.
No, it's been fun. Yeah, and am I ready to do it again? Yes, I'm ready to do it again.
I'm ready to do it again.
Because we're in Tenerife and this is Party Town. Yes. Thank you, Tenerife. We've had a bloody good time. We've met some new friends and explored this amazing place. It's a big thumbs up from us.